Today's topic is sonnet. Sonnet is a literary term. It's a type of poetry. The word sonnet is derived from the Latin word sonetto, which means a little strain or sound. Originally, it was a short poem recited to the accompaniment of music. Later on, its form grew fixed, and the term sonnet came to be applied for any lyric of 14 lines. Like a lyric, it deals with a single emotion or idea, but it differs from a simple lyric in form. According to M.H. Abrams, it's a lyric poem written in a single stanza which consists of 14 lines linked by an intricate rhyme. Sonnet is of Italian origin. It was originated by the great Italian poet Petrarch, who used this form of lyric for expressing his love for his beloved Laura. Sonnet is basically of two types. Number one, Italian or Petrarchan sonnet. Number two, Shakespearean or English sonnet. Now let us discuss Italian sonnet or Petrarchan sonnet. This form of sonnet is named after the great Italian poet Petrarch, for he was the first to use it. Structurally, this sonnet is divided into two parts, octave and sestet. The octave is again subdivided into two quatrains and the rhyme ABAB, ABAB. Sestet has also two subdivisions called tercets and rhyme CDC, DCD. Second variant of sonnet is English sonnet or Shakespearean sonnet. Sonnet was first transplanted into England by Sir Thomas Watt in the 16th century, but his friend Henry Howard, the Earl of Surrey, made a slight change in its Italian pattern. This modified form of sonnet was later on most effectively used by Shakespeare, after whose name, not after its real innovators, the sonnet has come to be called. This type of sonnet is divided into three quatrains and a concluding couplet, with the rhyme ABAB, CD, CD, EF, EF, G, G. There are two more variants of sonnet, Spenserian sonnet and Miltonic sonnet. Spensian sonnet is named after the great Elizabethan poet Edmund Spenser. Spenser adopted the Italian form of sonnet. He divided his sonnets in three quatrains and a concluding couplet, but he made a slight change in its rhyming pattern. He linked every part of the sonnet with a continuous rhyme. Instead of ABAB, CD, EF, EF, GG, the rhyme of his sonnets was AB, AB, BC, BC, CD, CD, EE. And the second type is Miltonic sonnet. John Milton adopted Italian Petrarchan form of sonnet. He divided his sonnet in octave and sestet. Octave was again divided into quatrains, and the sestet had two tercets. Milton made a slight change in the rhyming pattern of its sestet part. The rhyme of his sonnets is ABBA, ABBA, CDE, CDE. Tomorrow we will discuss the word lyric. Thank you.